Hello guys, how are you? How's doing? Again, come back here at the place we call Magna in the Madian. The place we have saw on the downside. Here is a well where the water is directly come from the ground to upside. This is the place where the Musa alayhi salam he came from the Egypt once he killed a one man and he's a fear with the Pharaoh, so he ran away from the Misr and come to this place and take a rest nearby this area. Okay, so after that he came down and taking rest. At the meantime, the daughter of Shuaib alayhi salam, because this is the area where we are now here, this is called the Madian, like 360 around. If you saw very sea is seeing very far from here, and it's a very beautiful, we can see from here. Just look around 360, how is it? And alhamdulillah, we are very happy to see such type of place in our life, and it is very unique, and the wind is very cool, very best. See how is the sea. If you try to zoom it, oh sorry, I cannot zoom it from here because I'm using the front camera. So if you saw on the background, less we are going downside, in the downside, so we can, on that last time we cannot do the properly video. Plus this time we are going downside and check around how's the water is came from the ground. Oh, it's very nice, very beautiful place here. And now the people are usually at the ancient time they took the water from this place. They call this area as well. If you saw, the water is still coming down. This is the source of water, and this is the also water. This is the 100% organic water you can drink also. See how it's looking good, mashallah, it's great. So many places the water is coming down. This look amazing. This look amazing. Stunning. See? And it's amazing, man. This place. See how is the water coming on from the ground. Let's look around, see how it's beautiful. Yeah, I'm very lucky to come and explore this place. Really it's look very amazing. Let's look on that other way. There's some houses of the local guy. We saw down of the hill. Or somewhere they have some barricaded area, restricted zone, I think so. Or they make a house of that area. So I will zoom in so you can see from here very easily. Yes. It is too far, we cannot go there because still we are in the fasting. Mashallah, it's look great. We can see the dates is growing on the tree, mashallah, it's great. See how it's to be. Yeah. If you see on that, see how it's look at dates. Wow. As I says, man, if you come here you can fall in love in this place. Yeah, see how the dates is growing on these trees because this is the season of dates to grow up. After 2 months it's now it's perfect to the harvest date and bring down from the tree, and they have do the lots of processing on that. Still we are going on the way. It's a very amazing place. I want to visit again and again. Really, this is amazing. You cannot just stop yourself to explore this area again and again because it's very beautiful. It's natural beauty. We can explore many things in malls and everything, but once you came in this place or in such type of place, you have to spend time, or you have break your life from the busy life. Calm down. It's great to hear. See, calm down. We have mango tree also. Excellent. Has looked good. If you search for the mango tree, the palm tree, some of the berry trees also in this place. Yeah, it's look amazing. It's look amazing. If you see on the sea, this beautiful sea far away, not too far, around 2 kilometers or 1 kilometer from here, and it's looking amazing. It's amazing, amazing. Yeah, see the area 360 around this place where we are now. Oh, it's great. It's awesome.